How to fix the TikTok FYP or the For You page. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you how you can fix the FYP or the For You page on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, let's say that you open up TikTok. You basically have two pages. One is the For You page, one is the following page. For You page simply means that TikTok is going to show you some of the videos even which are not on your following list. So which means that even people whom you're not on following list, TikTok is going to think that they are of likely interest to you, and they're going to simply recommend that profile or that video to you. But if you go to the following tab at the very top left corner, you also have the following tabs right in this case. As you can see, these are posts only from people you actually follow on TikTok. But let's say that you bored of your For You page over here, you want some new recommendations. The very first thing I would actually recommend you do is, let's say you don't want to get recommended these type of videos, you can tap on the, let's say, three dots or the share icon at the bottom right corner, and then you could simply mark this as uninterested or not interested. When you set this as not interested, TikTok is going to try their best to not recommend you similar videos in the future. So you have to be simply aware of that. The other thing I would also recommend you do is, whenever you browse to TikTok, I would recommend you to only like the post which you think is actually you want to get recommended in the future. So only these type of posts. So if I don't want to receive these type of posts in the future, I don't want to like this kind of posts, because TikTok is going to take that into account and they're going to recommend me similar videos in the future. So you have to make sure of that as well. The other thing I would also recommend you to do is go to your Discover page, go to the search bar. If you have any type of search history over here, so now basically there is a search box. If you have any type of search history, tap on clear all button, clear the search history or the recent searches, and reload TikTok, relog into your account, and most likely it will give you some of the fresh recommendations when you browse through TikTok again. And hopefully one of these would have helped solve your issue. If it did help solve your issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.